Hi guys, so welcome back. You guys want to hang out? Where's Puppet? Where is Puppet? Toy Freddy? What do you mean? Where is Puppet? Your mango! What was that all about? Well, he wanted to see Mango because, you know what I mean, right? You know what I mean? Oh no, it's you. Hi, old friend. If you don't recognize me, I am Bonnie. Nice to meet you again. Spring Bonnie. What? Oh, okay, let's just cut to the chalk. Where is Puppet? Okay, why are you here to tell us where Puppet is? Yeah. Are you in? No, we're not. Now we just Fredbear's dead. Oh, that's why Fredbear's body is there. I was gonna say, why is Fredbear's body there? But okay, Toy, Wither Bonnie, go get Puppet. Okay, Toy, Freddy, I'll go get Puppet. What is it, Wizard Bonnie? Why you take me here? Oh my goodness, Puppet, you haven't been in our pizzeria forever. Spring Bonnie, that's not why we're here. Oh yeah, I got carried off track. Oh, what do you guys want? Fredbear's dead. Can you revive him with your powers? Well, I could, but I can't. What? Why? You see, I'm not Charlie. Charlie, so it's not inside of me. Oh. So he's just normal Puppet? Yeah. Yeah, she got captured by William in order to get, William, and he needs all six souls to make a machine that will make him immortal. Oh wait, what? Oh, so wait, let me get this straight. I thought there was gonna be a Jibby Genie. It was gonna be short, all that stuff. But let me get this straight. William, our creator, William, wants to create a machine that will make him immortal. This isn't a movie. Actually, this is. Wait, who's that? Is your creator? Oh, am I breaking the fourth wall? Yori Toy, or your. I guess we are breaking the wall. Okay, editor, cut it out. Cut it out. Okay, just cut it out. Okay, cut it out. Okay, back to the video. Okay, enough with that. Okay, we need to find those souls before William does. He only got 2 of them, which is my soul, Charlie and Jeremy. We need to get the other ones before he does. Oh, hello there. William, what are you doing here? Oh, just come here to take you back to your pizzeria and use you for a little bit and take you four back to your pizzeria and you three, I'm gonna have to erase that memory towards you. William, we know your plan. Oh yeah, you know. Okay. Well, I want to make a machine that will make me immortal. Immortal. Okay. And I know let me do that. I need you, Spring Bonnie. Wait, no. Spring Bonnie, no! We have to get them. How are we gonna do that? Oh, I'll keep you busy. Nightmares, attack! Oh boy. This will be a piece of cake, guys.